Yep, got the old work truck still looking decently clean, but also haven't drove it anywhere. I'm about to do some exhaust stuff. What I'm gonna do is I got an Edelbrock muffler on it. Edelbrock muffler, 3-inch muffler, as you can see right there. What I'm gonna do is run some pipe after over the rear end and come out back here, because it drones a little bit when you're going down the highway and it's kind of aggravating. It's that kind of stuff that gets you demonetized. Run a little over 60. Nice and quiet on the inside. Pretty much no drone at all. I don't even hear it really. Sound like a stock truck. Still got a good sound at idle, and when you take off, it sounds good, you know, and revving it up and all that. But the drone and all that crap, that's gone. Ended up not using the piece of pipe I bought, so I wasted that money. I guess I can take it back, but I like the way it sounded without it, so I didn't use it. The end of the exhaust is right there, the muffler's right there, so I added about probably 3 or 4 foot of pipe. Quick little video, just something I had to do today, or wanted to do, quieten that thing down. But like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more.